Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading. So for this, go for your profile first, click on here three-line option, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down, go for Website Permissions, go for Browser Settings. Now you have to clear cookies and cache from here. Now it's cleared. So go back and long press this Instagram app. Then go for here app info or here I option, I icon. So go for it and it takes you on the settings and go for here storage and cache. You have to clear cache. So that's it. After that you can fix your problem. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.